To envision a new society, we started first by studying the most robust startup cultures like Silicon Valley and Shoreditch Roundabout here in London. We see congested cities, lack of affordable living, extensive commutes, and even bad neighbors, all as a possible hindrance to creativity. Here we have the icon of Fragment Island. Before we go any further, let's take a closer look. Here, we've chosen to use the imagery of a triangle as it represents balance between the island, the band, which is your physical connection to the island, and the contractual bond you form by coming here. We also use the spiral, which represents your progression through the entrepreneurial process and your growth as you embark on your journey on Fragment Island. And the sphere, representing the unity you feel in being part of a true collective. With our algorithmic pod arbitration system, you'll never have to surround yourself with people who don't share your ideas ever again. Here you can choose to live on an island entirely dedicated to land and nature preservation, wind and solar energy, social change, water and ocean conservation, or even deep space. Either way, take faith in knowing that we will place you among people you are bound to develop lifelong bonds with, and no matter your area of focus, remember that we're all in this together. With modular living, you have the freedom to relocate your home closer to work if it suits, closer to medical facilities if your health needs change, or even position your home in a place on the island with a killer view. Also, with homes now in kiwi, salmon, and skyline blue, there's now more choice than ever in how you live, work, and play. When you join the island, we'll guide you, mold you, and break you right out of that chill. By telling us a bit about yourself and which profile you identify with, our innovative personality match system will ensure your home is outfitted with clothes, furniture, tools, and all the resources needed to achieve your goals. We'll decide everything for you, and we're certain you'll just absolutely love it. Now that you've made your last selection, let's grab our ticket and head over to your first product launch. That's it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this presentation of just how easy it is to get set up with SmartLink on Fragment Island. We just can't wait for you to come and share in the magic of entrepreneurship with us.